Hi Fire Signs, Aris Leo and Sagittarius. Welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ay inyong weekly Kabay Tarot reading for October 22 to 28. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating daily Kabay Tarot reading. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Para po sa gusto magpa-reading, maaari nyo pong makuha ang link. Nasa description box po ito. Message nyo lang po ako sa messenger. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano po ang ganap today? For this week po, October 22 to 28. For this week. Para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Mag-ingat sa week na ito kasi may nakita ako ditong conflict or away. Nagkaroon ng oposisyon. Nagkaroon ng drama. Conflict ba ito sa isang bagay o sa isang tao? And after that, nagkaroon ka ng rewards. Rewards from your work. Good karma ba yan? Nagkaroon ng pleasure. And you are building stability sa inyong buhay. Nagkaroon ng security for this week. Spirit guides, ano po yung message niyo po para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong week na ito, October 22 to 28, 2023? Wow, Angel of Miracles, open your heart and expect a miracle. Spirit guides, ano pa po yung message niyo po para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for this week? Wow, new beginnings. This is Phoenix, meaning nagkaroon ng transformation sa inyong buhay mula sa sufferings. New beginnings, begin your new life. Ganda. Ayos lang natin. Let's see your energy for this week. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, spirit guides. Clarification po sa Temperance. Wow, this is a second card, confirmation, clarification. Wow. Angels of Miracles, open your heart and expect a miracle. And this is a clarification. Opo. You are divinely guided. Maaring nagbigay ito ng signs sa pamamagitan ng isang tao o kaibigan na maaring makatulong sa struggle mo ngayon. Kaya have patience as the universe goes to work to bring your desires into reality. This card tells you na seek balance and create a calm atmosphere. So, nagkaroon dito ng moderation, pagkakaisa, this is a divine timing, nagkaroon ng serenity, nagkaroon ka din ng realization after siguro ng conflict na ito. Mag-iingat lang po kayo sa taong walang magandang intention sa iyo kasi nagkaroon ng conflict dito and this is the clarification of your first card na may taong walang magandang intention sa iyo or inaaway ka niya, binubuli ka ba niya? Ayun. So mag-ingat sa taong ito. May nakikita ako ditong dictator na tao, inhumane, very controlling, judger, naging dishonest sa week na ito. Oo. So mag-ingat sa taong ito kasi nagkaroon ng conflict or pag-aaway dito. Let's see your career and money, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius ngayong week na ito, October 22 to 28, 2023. Spirit guides. Clarification of Three of Swords reverse. After this conflict, 1 and 2, nagkaroon dito ng healing. You are releasing your emotion. You are taking care of yourself. You are healing now. You're healing yourself from a heartbreak, from loss, or it might be na walan kayo ng pera, or nawalan kayo ng kasamahan dyan sa inyong workplace, or nagkaroon ng bankruptcy, ganon. You are healing yourself from a heartbreak. Letting go sa pain, letting go sa mga pain at masasakit na alaala. Kahit malungkot ka ngayon, hatid ng disappointment o heartbreak, nag-make move ka, nag-make move ka na for recovery and releasing a pain. This period of sorrow won't last forever, so look to the future with hope for new experiences. This card is a reminder na you should avoid bringing your fear of heartbreak into new situations. Dahil nasaktan ka, you are decided to heal yourself, and medyo nagkaroon ka ng lack of confidence. Nagkaroon ka ng hindi ka madaling magtiwala sa isang tao o sa isang bagay, sa isang sitwasyon. Kasi nag-cause ng heartbreak ito eh. You have lack of confidence, madali kang mag-give up para sana tapusin yung ginagawa mong project. Nagkaroon din ng blockages dahil sa kawalan ng tiwala sa sarili or sa ibang tao. So, the advice is this card tells you, inspiration is on the way. So, don't give up. Your body and soul will heal. But that healing takes time. The advice is be inspired. Dreams do come true. So, parating na po yung inspiration sa inyong buhay. So, this is a very smart move. Kasi you are healing yourself now, handa ka nang tumanggap ng mga blessings na parating. You are decided not to put blockages. So don't put blockages para dumating itong miracles sa inyong buhay and new beginning, big transformation sa inyong buhay. Let's see your love and romance, self-love, partnership, and romance. Para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius sa week na ito, October 22 to 28, 2023. Clarification po sa Wheel of Fortune. Sa mga single dyan, may chance na ma-meet mo yung new romantic partner mo. Sa mga in relationship na may problema o hindi pagkakaunawaan, sa week na ito, may pagbabagong darating na ikakasiyan nyo. This one also means a blessing in your relationship. May magandang new experiences after a time of sadness. May advice po dito na mag-ingat din sa sasabihin nyo sa isang tao, sa inyong kapareha, sa inyong kapamilya, o kasamahan sa bahay. Kasi baka nagkataon na masaktan siya dahil sa pagkakasensitibo nito. It might be you or it might be the other person. May nakikita ko ditong may immature dito na may mangyayaring confrontation dahil sa hindi maganda ang kanyang pinagsasabi. Wala kang time sa inyong sarili. Nakikita ko dito wala kang time sa inyong sarili. You may be taking life too serious. Hidden truth, ano pong iniisip mo? Anong iniisip niya? Para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius Spirit Guides ngayong October 22 to 28. Para po sa mga single. We both know I am not the one for you. And I wonder if you are happy without me. Sa mga may relasyon, I hide behind material things and just being near you is intoxicating. Message po, Spirit Guys, message nyo po, love message nyo po para kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius para po sa mga single. So, heal yourself. The advice here is heal yourself also. So this is the confirmation from your cards here na you are decided to heal yourself. And step into unknown, do not be afraid. So, sa madaling salita, step out from your comfort zone. Do not be afraid kung may balak kayong mag-step out po. And commitment para sa mga may relasyon. Commitment is an important factor to achieve a successful relationship. And receptive. Be ready to receive what fate has planned for you. See? This is the clarification na may darating na blessing sa inyong buhay ngayon. This is a clarification from your love reading. Receptive, be ready to receive what fate has planned for you. Spirit guys, kabo ang advice niyo po sa week na ito from October 22 to 28 para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The end of a tough cycles approaches. So this is the clarification po. Klarong-klaro dyan na magkakaroon kayo ng new beginning sa inyong buhay. The end of a tough cycles approaches. Kung nahirapan pa kayo ngayon, so don't worry. Patapos na po ito. Papasok na po kayo sa inyong bagong yugto sa inyong buhay. And you are good enough sa mga, yung nagkaroon ka ng self-doubt dito. Self-doubt, nagkaroon kayo ng walang trust sa inyong sarili. Opo. This is the message from the universe. You are good enough. Angel's message, Archangel's message, Guardian Angel's message, Spirit Guides. Para po kay Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius sa week na ito. Message from Archangel Gabriel. It is time for you to assume your leadership, power, and position and lovingly guide others. May nagkaroon talaga dito ng stability. And message from Archangel Azrael. Hello from heaven. Your loved ones in heaven are doing fine. Let go of worries and feel their loving blessings. That is your reading for this week. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.